Bin ich der ich bin? Wer bin ich denn? Wie war das nochmal? Hat die Unterhose reingeschissen. Da hat sie ihm gleich wieder gerissen. Und ist sogar gleich ausgezogen. Da ist dann auch was reingegangen. Ist ihm der Scheißdreck langsam nicht rausgegangen. Monday again. It's Monday again. Monday again. Heute mal, jetzt weiß ich, was ich machen will. Warum rede ich eigentlich? Boris, da Bier gesoffen oder was? Kamera. Oh. Ich bin nicht verständlich. Ja, geh weiter, hat er gesagt. Video bearbeiten. Ja, der Livestream schon wieder vorbei. Passt schon, hat er gesagt. Jetzt wird erst einmal ein Bier ausgesoffen. Das von gestern von 4 und 5 und, was jetzt? 26 Stunden? Also von 24 Stunden. So 10. Alter. Wo ist der Sonntag hin? What the hell? For more than 24 hours ago, actually, I just was playing that game. It feels like actually for a week ago. I played CarX twice after sleeping. Better say, I played it again. But then I played actually these Wulong. I quit, gave up. Bullshit game. Loved actually the 1 hour non-recorded character creating. So the other one was H2S. How to Survive, right? 2. Here we go. Fantastic game. Love it. But the trophy's not popping. Even I start a new game. Weird. So I'm since actually 6 hours now awake. Or more. I can't remember. I was talking to myself about actually my kind of family like tree. So I just did. What we wanna have in here? There we go. That's a beard face. Oh man. Oh fuck. Oh, sorry for that one. Crack. Oh wow. That was fast. It says actually it's still working while I still already had that face there. Oh, what the fuck? That's scary. That was my 2008 picture actually. Some of the ones who really didn't know. Hell to all.
Hello all.
Wow, I hate when my nose is thicked up. Zieht wieder Nebenluft. Moment, kommt andere Luft hinten raus. Oh my god. Yesterday I was eating actually hot, sharp noodles. Jalapeno style. And I just was one day actually not eating. There was Saturday to Sunday and oh my god. I think the last 5 hours there was so many wind collected even not in 24 hours on the weather system in here right now. Together. I was very windy in my room. But congrats, it's not stinking. Not yet. And today already I was on toilet.
Live jam Spotify this morning. Here, URL.
And I had to say, I thought actually I was thinking I shot actually my toilet through. But the dump came out. Because this time I was very intelligent. I was getting actually olive oil in there. But that's why I have actually stomach problems a little bit over that 6 hours I'm awake. Because it burns, it hurts a bit. It's like these, what's it calling? The olive oil actually surrounds the sharpness of these Carolina Reaper stuff. And so as that I was become into my stomach and just was get away, you know, cut it away from the oil, it started not to get hurt. And so I thought actually I got diarrhea hardcore and stuff. So there was yesterday as well, as you was with me on CarX. Whatever. Holy snottiness. No, that's my last tequila ice. Better say Berg ice. That's pour. Because the supermarkets don't have, what's it called? Smirnoff ice. What was up with the synapse? Oh my god. My synapse says actually it's a one road. it's not coming. You can't turn around. It's just you go there, but never came back. A one-way road. Here we go. Wow, man, cold, cold, cold. Outside cold, inside cold. Tequila bottle cold. It says 38%. That was always 40%, right? 35% it says. Here we go. So I get actually the last bottle I ordered. There was a 38. The 40 to 41 was the splendid, wide open, super good tequila I just got from Mexico. That was, I think, in August, September. It cost a bit. Alright. See what's going on in here. 25, 20, alright, 20%. Nice, 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 nice ass. Fine ass. Look at that fine ass. Got turned around. Oh my gosh, it's a dude. I'm gone. Hey, there's a cliff. I can jump down there. Why? Oh gosh. Oh, look at that. I can't believe that. Hold on. Come back. Go forward. Where is it again? There we go. It's garage level 49, 999. Where's these 8,000 coming? When I just did the 8,000, I promise you. First, I forgot to make a picture. Second, it's not an 8,000, it's an 8,001 and just kicked my ass actually up to 500,000. And I don't can see the 499,999, right? So better I make now a picture. Why so suspicious you? So Simulicon or with a reaction stuff there. Rates reaction. It's funny looking somehow. Especially that guy with the Rudolph nose and watching these other guy that just actually draw it in black and white. The other one have colored. Weirdo. Hard. So I'm thirsty, Forsake. Cheers up. Good night. It's right now 6 o'clock and 18 minutes after. It's morning time. And why in the hell is that all so big in here, that script? Well, there we go. That looks better. Oh yeah, watch myself. Cheers up. Myself. What's up, mate? What's up, myself? Oh my god. I even didn't drink yet. Now I'm drinking, sipping. Cheers. Wow, this is beer from yesterday, dude. Whoa. Oh, look. We are very close to my own club reputation to deal it done. I played actually 5 days now, on 10 days, right? So this one we can deal done the season. Why am I making devil sign all the times with my hand? Stop that doing or cut my little finger. Why I have, I think, 1 hour and we got the 10,000 reputation points. Can be. It's just an accident. That just happened then. Oh man, we can claim. What is that? Weekly competition from what? Huh. We don't know. Oh man. In actually 12 hours I need to go. Oh, not even. In 9 hours I should actually refill the woodcut facility. actually tired. It means I'm playing 3 hours in here or 2 hours, whenever, anyway. Go to sleep, so we are 9 hours, so exactly after that at 3 o'clock afternoon I have to go. Oh man, my nose. I have to go actually then to the compound. Something is not. I think the California Reaper or something actually really popping up my brain. Must be the mix with beer. That was even 2 sip, for sake. I think my origins are just getting fucked up right now. And it's actually right now good 12 hours, 15 hours later. I still have actually the pain. Nah. I didn't eat the whole one, so I only the half one. The other half I just threw it away, man. Fuck these $20 there. This shit. Never doing that again. California Reaper. It's coming next. Or lend the flower power or something. It's just actually poison drips. Not even seeing that is a plant anymore. And they then say some kind. The plant was so poison or so sharp that actually the Scoville just eaten up the plant, and so the rest was just actually fluid. It's actually rat poison. Exactly. What you wanna do? What you wanna do then? Oh, why not? There's the good old times. 14 days? 14 days. We have 22. So that's not working. For sake. 9 days. So we at 5th January we actually get then this stuff when we just actually been on that. Okay, that's cool. How's it going? Boah, last time somebody just asked me if I'm actually this Martin Rainer Winkler. What was that again? Ich got sauber oder was? De la Rot. See what the season is to saying. Alright, we have to deal done everything. Anything, everything, no problem, my mom. 3 days, 3 hours. The first objects repack. Well, I'm talking about what I'm doing. This is stupid, right? Like I'm saying, I'm going to the toilet, and I'm saying, actually, I'm going to the toilet. Oh, hold on, man, I need to actually do stuff. And 1, and 2, and 3, right? I hate these explained. That's why on these building up games or something, I'm not actually doing that. This is too childish, man. To explain what I want to do next. Let me do whatever I want. Is there some storyline or something that is done in a live stream? How bored I must be to get on. It's stuff like that. I mean, at work, okay, to explain what next comes up. Alright, but not in a video game. What is this? That makes it even boring. It's like I'm saying, alright, I'm checking. Something like that. The storyline out. 1 second, I'm in the storyline. I'm just checking the query out. Oh yeah. I said to myself, I win then anyway. But I lost then. So, there's no plan B. I think I jump out of the window now. And actually you just cut your fucking throat through because the window has only 1 floor. What the hell I'm talking about? Bullshit. Alright, what we got? Nothing. Seriously, nothing. Hey, hold on, that was from yesterday. I can't remember. I thought actually my synapses are one way. What are we doing? We had to wait 3 hours. Forget about it. Something cheap. Watch in the mirror. Watch that mirror. This is not coming all day long, right? No. What was the other one? Just get. Oh, what was it? What was it? What was it? Here? No. There was a race actually. I just done yesterday. You can have then some present. I think it's not randomized. It's like if I go in here right now, let's say it's 18 hours. Maybe I just was getting 2 days longer than me, right? Something I need to go today. Maybe this one or that one. I'm not sure. Where I know there's this present for the 22nd on December. Man, the music is still a whole lot second. Can't concentrate. It's like the whole orchestra is actually standing in front of your face and you just really want to talk with the person behind the orchestra. With this guy with the trumpet or something actually in your face and hits you all the time in the nose. And then your mother tuck. Swallow your trumpet. Trumpet. What's that? Is it even English? Trumpet. Is it an elephant or something? Trumpet. That makes sense. Where can it be? Was that featured? Toyota GR Supra. Can't have it. I think it is in here. Let's check it out. 140 with something else, and I want in the race with a Nissan. Do we have that car anyway? No. Win the race. The Nissan 360. Oh, yeah, I think I have. Be fast as shit. 130. Be fast as shit. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, we had in this one. Oh my gosh. But what the hell? I just making blueprints already. Uh-oh. I think I sent something wrong in blueprints in. Is that car, right? Oh yeah, we do. Okay, that's cool. At the beginning, actually, I was sending actually the blueprints that you can actually buy off with these trash coins or something. And I always get the blueprints all the time to the Nissan. What kind of Nissan, right? But today they're costing actually 1,000 something else. Wow, the car is maximized, man. That's crazy. I think I drove it once. Not a fan of Nissan. Yeah, I think we got it. Cheek. Oh, I hate that when that stuff doing that stuff. My God. Not so confusing. The background music is playing. It's really ash trash. Ass trash. What the hell? Ass trash. Ass. The hell. It's starting to get itchy. I think I poisoned. Now I have to check it. The one is actually off the live stream by other streams. Or let call after drinking live streams and smoking. And these are not, of course, not itchy, but now I have to check it on that I'm using actually for smoking and drinking. Barfing and spitting. So shut the hell up. Yesterday as I was eating the Carolina Reaper, right? I was so close to vomit. Man. That was something in my throat, you know, and I couldn't actually swallow and I couldn't actually spit it out. So it was in the middle part of the throat. Man, I was so sick. As I was saying, let me go to the toilet. I'm checking out diarrhea or just fart. In that moment, better. Sometimes I'm making the microphone off when I go to the toilet, right? And yesterday I did as well. Poorly, because actually the fart was very long and I was laughing my ass off. And so I came back and there was something in my throat. And there was actually something from the Carolina Reaper, Forsake. I was very good. And so after that, I sent the microphone then on because I wasn't sure, vomiting or not vomiting. So I was immediately drinking very fast actually beer down my throat, and I was even hurt then. And then the microphone was on. Forsake. It was actually fun. As I like when I'm actually... The doors are closed? Or is the wind coming so through? Ah, the kitchen window is open up. Ah, that was really fucked up. Really fucked up. Alright, let's drive that first. That vehicle there. Oh, come on, not that. Oh, the Gold Rush stuff. 145 it says. Let's say 140 I need. Look at the whole trash, man. Where does this go? And now the game is so loud. What the fuck? Oh, that's better. Much better. Mormos! Sick! Any dos? Sick! If you're not talking, you just only say actually one word all the time. Sick! Whoa, is the ship sinking? What the hell? Sick! Oh, crack, man. Oh, damn it, I mean, sick. This is bullshit. I mean, that's sick. You know what, where's this going? Into a sick personality. It's a 117. Is that the complete road, right? Mother of hell. Oh, there. Oh, look at that. Wow. 141, 140 something? 120, 130, right? Oh, 127, man. Wow. I think that means they let us the chance for 1-star cars. Can it be? Oh, it makes more sense. Sick. The whole stream actually by word, like, you know, you say Budweiser or crack ass or something like, but actually you have to deal down actually all these words with complain by sick. You know, like you want to say your mother, then you say you are sick. Really want to say actually jump out of the window or something, you know, you just cursed words and stuff like that. All S, you know, BS stuff, and then they actually only say you are a sick. Makes no sense, but okay. What the hell, we want everything? What? No way. Holy shit. I mean, holy sick. What the mother sick? I just tried actually to do run 1 and go then the Koenigsegg or something actually faster up in here. Holy shit. Holy sickness. Oh, God damn it, it's all broken. Holy sickness, it's not sick working, yeah, something like that. What would the ash gone? No, I'm not claiming. Or so should we? Nah. For sickness. Oh, my stomach, man. We have some party actions down below. Caroline, sick reaper, the sickness. Something I hear all the times in the background. That's the music from the game. I know. but it feels so fucked up. It's like actually it's surrounding me, not inside of my ears. It's surrounding me because I have earplugs in and listening Spotify music, right? I have the headset on over the ears, earplugs. Oh. Oh, I thought that's 3 racings. Play in any race. I won the whole stable of cars actually, but there was only 1 race. Rebel level. Ah, the first beer from yesterday. I've only 1 closer actually for the cans. Got the other one somewhere actually in my military bag for the work. There's something else. Man, I need to go to the toilet again. But I know I don't need to go. It's just actually a fart or something. I'm sorry for that one. Yesterday to my noodles actually, I was eating down a half Carolina Reaper. Cut it actually very fine. Get it into that, what is that calling in English? You can actually crash that in a stone basil actually there. Stample? Don't know. I don't know. My English sucks. Sick sucks. Sorry, sick for sickness. Nah, I can't do that. Sick. It's just BS, okay? So there was not a present inside of the 22nd actually December. Where I just found that yesterday. I think it was a new. I can't remember. I think it randomized where we're just driving, right? Oh, we have to drive it again? I'm not sure. Huh? What happened? Didn't I do that yesterday? No? I think I did, but I couldn't actually win. Because these times actually need a full... I don't know. I don't know. By the way, by pills, because as Close was saying actually, you need speed actually for breakfast. yeah. I'm a heart pill, man. Oh, that was the last one. Nice. Tomorrow... I think that's my last live stream, right? Just kidding. I'm sorry. Oh. The pill wasn't fine. I see, I take pills every day. A wife, or actually a girl, takes actually once a month. Prepare for heart attacks, something like that. It's weird, but actually my pulse over and my heartbeat is actually normal as shit. Race something with something up, and do fastest. Unrealistic vehicle coming up. Give me one reason to let me know actually why this car should be actually realistic. Oh, what was that going on? People's coming in, and people's stealing actually the other people's. You know that? It's kind of 6 people's in there, and the 7th comes up. A half minute later, complete everyone is gone. Did you ask yourself, are they just self-donating each other? Is there a private chat by the watchers? They're watching my live stream? There are hidden options or something? Oh, Craig. I'm not sure, man. Doing PMs or something, actually. Behind my back. On my channel! Okay, it's a YouTube channel, of course. Know what I'm saying. Gambaremos. I need a sip from tequila now. Cheers. Kleiner Strawberry Silly, so called positiv next stream. Here comes the heart attack. Gambaremos. I would have talked. What was that? Or Arzi? Here comes the unrealistic car. It looks ass crack nice. Oh, for God's sake. Now it's just trash. That moment I say, actually, that's a nice looking car. I crashed it. Totaled it. Oh, nice invisible wall. So many trash, goddammit. Oh, under 1 minute! Nice. How this car is breaking? Did it open the roof then? Maybe only once. By 300 km/h, the roof is opening for actually the brake system. Instant wheelie competition. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I never saw that before. Instant wheelie competition for once. For flips. Man, I just was saying a nice car it is, right? And I just flipped over. What the hell was that? Yeah, that's a lightning actually decision, I think. You peeps already gone and just watching a little bit and just leaving. Is there some problem with me? Ah, that's so assy, man. I bet my ass when the microphone is off. It's the same criddle to crack, man. The time that managed actually made my phone or something like. Really getting in mood and you know, people's coming in and you have the best joke and people's going, leaving. What was going on with them? So I couldn't find the present. There was no present in there. Is there some information hidden up in here? Hide from us? No? Maybe it's in there. But I'm not sure. Let's see. Maybe it is. Ooh, now we had that car, right? That's weird. And it is in that list. How do you know? That's just made up. I can't win the race when I was researching for that present, right? That's just bullshit. Oh man. It's just cold. Cold. It's ugly, man. Here we go again. Alright, I see my DAF in here, the ventilation tunnel there. That the Christmas man has got bankrupt? Why is his hands up? Ready to get shot. Yeah. That dude is gone. Mr. Underground. What the hell? Oh yeah, sure. Oh, I am driving. I hate that we can't stop that anymore. Oh, there's a way. Ah, there is no way. Get away, brother. Oh, sorry for that one. I bet the present was down below in the tunnel, right? Every day is a surprise. Whoa! Aye. Ass was sitting on his hood. I can't win this one, man. A 6th position. Where are you coming from all the time? Nah, there's no president here. I got the 20s, the 21. I think there was 17 as well, because I forgot actually on the first time I just checked out the present. No, it's just dripping for sake. So I didn't know about that one, right? Since the 17th December, I know there's actually presents all over some races. And it's seriously, yesterday I was getted by a kind of a, you can have from DefRekka the blueprints, maybe. And normally it's in here, right? So that's why I shocked yesterday. I even sent it actually a picture out. On PlayStation, what's new actually? You know, oh, that was a shit. Oh gosh damn it, I didn't watch the credits. I watched only on the right side. So, hey yeah, the 8 whipper, the 8 multiplicator. What was I saying? I just was yeah, I hate that on PlayStation 4 right now. Since actually a year now. If you just want to send actually a picture for the community, there's no community on PlayStation 4 anymore. Sometimes it happens. Down below under the game you can watch actually the pictures from other people's, you know, and the videos and the live stream and blah blah blah. And sometimes it happened that the picture's popping up. So yesterday I did that as well. On activities I sent it. But sometimes it has a black barcode, and sometimes it's a only myself or for friends. And when it's actually having a black barcode, then it goes actually to the activities down below. Actually, you know, your game, you can find actually screenshots, the videos, and the live stream on that game. What's new coming up or something on PlayStation 4? I don't know about the PlayStation 5. So I couldn't actually send that one up loaded actually to that game in here. But sometimes it happens, whatever. So I missed actually 18 days for getting a present. And that means 3 times blueprints. Because all the times when you send out for that green present there on the road, on the streets, on that, you know, race there, or on the track, whatever you want to take it needed. I have to go forward in here and let's see, maybe it's in here. Then you get 3 blueprints from, I don't know, randomized cars, I think it is. Twice it just was getting it, so that's why I don't know. Maybe sometimes there's some import part as well. Or maybe the present says, you know, you complete progress in your game, it's just reset it. Holy shit, what is that kind? Ah, that's the present from 25th. Be careful, there's no 25th present anymore. There's no chocolate calendar out there with a 25th door as well. Odd. That's sick. When you found actually the 25th December actually a present in this game, it says your complete progress of the game, just reset it. That's really fucked up. Alright, we have the D, the D, the D, the D, the D, the C, the B, the E, A. Okay, then do the D. The rank D car. Where are we going? Is it diarrhea? Is it a fart? Or is it actually the butter coming out and it goes into my socks as well? 2 hours I was in the toilet and I was doing that stuff, you know, with the farmer. He was stacking out of his tractor, right? Then he making the sound like, ah. So I say, oh god, hell, I shit myself. But he don't say that. He's just making the sound like, ah. That the second time happened. His socks are full as well. Cheers up. Oh. The bar call out and shit itself. Cheers. Campagna strålig så du godt brugt lidt stream. That's a sick music in the background. Oh, the lonely mode. Ah, water is cheap on this earth. That time. Thank you. You're a complete moron, man. About all this screams, I don't see that. The first turn was a left, right? And I thought actually that's one way. Yeah. Sometimes my brain cells actually go in the one way as well. Man, today was happening, I'm talking. Think I still be after drunk or something from yesterday. Is that a word, after drunk? What do you want from us? Oh, we will, okay. I'm shut up. I'm thinking, huh, what happened? Where's the other one? There's the other one. So, no present as well in here. I give up. Alright, now we can get it done. Oh, that was close. I was actually into the sport area. But sometimes the server just breaking. But before you actually, you already clicked on X. You clicked already on the Ripper. I like that, with the needle of Ripper. And then you are close to go to 8 multiplication, right? And you click, and the server stops, and you go over the 8 and say, what the hell is going on? And you was up front of the 8 a tip. And you know, in these 10% you came in that yellow area there. What the hell? The server just breaking for a second, or half second, or thousandths actually. You just get the 4 times or 6 times multiplication then. Mother talk hell. What the California music. I'm not sure, is that a fart or something? I know it is. Never know what comes out. I'm for sure I'm checking the toilet and relaxing there instead of actually going to the side all the time to my barrow chair and trying actually pressing something out that shouldn't actually not belong to the underwear. Oh man, it's so dark. Oh, watching these screens these days. Remember, somebody just making that noise. Oh my gosh. Set them all of English. Oh my god, what's going on with me? Ain't. Yeah, and. Oh my gosh, sorry for that one. Oh god, thanks, I was going to the toilet. Oh yeah, yesterday, what was it, Saturday, I was actually going to the supermarket and bring away actually the can of beer, right? And so, one bag was actually in the compound. I'm having one because sometimes I'm coming back from construction work area and bringing the can of beers actually into the compound and say, food now away. And so I'll leave actually there a bag, a plastic bag. So collecting them, my cans of beer, and after 1 or 2 months actually I bring them away then, these kind of 40 cans. And so I cleaned it up actually in the shower yesterday, because I forgot. I was going all the time to the toilet, even after that Carolina Reaper incident, or take it whatever it is. And I was smelling all the time these beer. I said, what the hell? Where is that can of beer actually standing? I couldn't find it. And so I forgot that actually the plastic bag smells like beer. Because some drips sometimes just ordinary goes out of the can of beer, you know? You know, one thing. That looks so fucked up. So I was going to the shower yesterday night. Turn it around and oh my god, it reeks! Beer, man. So after that shower, I started actually these CarX then. Give me a beer, and I'm falling in the old Rasta style, or what is they calling in English? Scale lines or something. Yeah, whatever. Enough clean hands now. Now I'm confused. That's the song from Spotify, and that's the song from the background music in the game Asphalt Legends. Unite. People's writing down Asphalt Legends all the time. It's Unite. I know it's 9. Asphalt Legends 9, but they call it Unite. That's why I call it ALU. ALU. Got that one? Me either. Thank you. That's the noise when an old person actually wants to sit down on his ass. Shoot, pirate chair. and checking his socks. They're not refilled with doo butter. Shh! It's 7 o'clock. 5 minutes in front of it. I forget all the times it's Monday. But there's some people out there that aren't working today. Or ain't working, better say. Want to claim? Nah. Later on. Yesterday I was going out of Teso, checking my progress, as today in the morning time as well. I was 10 minutes early. Locked out after actually checking the horse stable by these horse master, you know, the stroking horse, cleaning up the doodle butter from the horse's ass crack. It's not that shit. Hold on. Mehr als holen können die nicht. Also, I checked out that bought me another slot actually for the horse ass backpack, or wherever the horse get actually all my stuff I collecting in these multi-world dimension something else place there on Tamriel. Or nearly. I like that word. Especially when that one cat is speaking that out, these Cassidy, or what was the cat name? Seriously, a snuggy one. And these what was the other guy calling blah 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 ball? I forgot his name, that actually companion you have. We have to go to Cassidy or something, and he and then you go to her and say, oh god, that's a small cat there. I don't know, it's so tiny and stuff, and so fluffy and looking actually great and stuff, and oh that's so cuddly. And last time I was standing with my companion in front of that cat girl there, and my companion is kind of double times bigger than that cat, or what was I calling these? What's these cat? They have names, you know, like human and stuff, you know, and animals, and so they have a class, right? I don't know about these, you know. I'm a fan, but actually not so sick fan, you know, so seriously sick fan. So then they started up to each talking to each other. What the fuck? That was so crazy. He's starting up some kind of D.R.O and Tamriel right now after 2 eras or something, Aeons or something. they are weird, and this place is not like the same since 4,000 years or something, and she's starting up with her own problems. Somehow they're comparing them with each other, and then Boof actually in the end what is going on here? I just checked my inventory in that time. Very cool. I know these other ones are Argonians or something. I forgot the cats how they just called out of there. And they're talking all the times in the third person. Like, it is wants to offer you an market price. It is happy when it sells. Talking from your side out, man. You have to say myself is very much. This is second person. The third person. Oh my god, he's saying it is. What? That's so nice. Oh yeah, let's have a look about the 100% career mode. Yeah, sure. Watch the internet on Reddit. May I get a solution already? Forget about it. This is even 2 months old. And nothing. A third person just watched it, but you know, nobody cares. Saying, oh gosh, that guy again. Shoot that guy. What is it saying? It was saying stop the download stuff like shit. I hate that when YouTube, I mean Microsoft is doing that. Alright. Especially when it is. Chimera, or the Chimera. Chimera. Just kidding. Alright. You guessed it. On level 2 we can't go forward anyway. Whoa, something is coming up. Why? Carolina Reaper. I think it eats up on my liver or something. Yesterday I wrote actually, or read it actually, after in the morning time I think I talked to one guy. He was saying actually he's very much in forward here in the progress of the DS. And I saw that in the Reddit as well, some kind of progress. They really have ended up closely actually already all this stuff in here. And talking about like what's coming up next, like maybe bring out a next package or something this end of month. Like they have then the Nissan Skyline or something or shit and And then I saw actually someone with the same and saying yeah he's in the end as well. Even didn't finish. Hold on, what was the mission called? I think in here, yeah, he was actually in here on the Shadow of the Machine 3 and 4. And he's done like he's done as well. And he's waiting actually for new actions. Sir. Go a little bit forward and call the Frostbound Whale. What the mother now? What happened here? Why is the pinned missions just gone? Or maybe I never did that. Hold on. Let's go to free. Oh, I never did that before. Ay, 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 ay. Mule grande. Míos, míos. What was it calling? Reach the finish line. Oops, I totally forgot. Diese Kampagne schon, ist ja nicht so gut, die next spielen. Oh, I need to drink the beer away from yesterday. Oh, I think that was the last one on CarX or something, and then CarX, the second one live stream yesterday. Oh, my English are really fucked up. Even children that don't speak English have a big problem to understand when I'm talking for shit. Oh. Oh man, hell no. Oh, it's literally cold in here. I don't know, I'm more into talking today. I think 2 races or 3 races we are already done, right? Lined in by 55 minutes now in the live stream. How's your day? Oh, my day's getting great. Maximized actually going to 9 o'clock to sleep. Yeah, I counted actually when the woodfuck facility, it's not even working, woodcut facility is actually going on in here to refill. I listened to twice music, man. How the hell should I actually convert German and English? It's a disaster. I can remember the WRC, the World Rally Championship, I've done actually from I think it was 3 to 9. It was brutal, and I played that actually close to 20 years then. And in these 20 years I was live streamed actually 9 years. On 2 YouTube accounts they not exist anymore. That's why you can't find barrel, I think nothing actually in here on WRC. Maybe the 9er for just, I don't know, even not. And to listen to the co-driver, to listen to the fine-ass music, to listen to the fine-ass gearing the car, by listening to the engine and transmission, all that stuff, right? And then speaking stuff out like that, I'm talking right now in translation, that translated that as German or English. Sometimes a little Japanese came over. Terrible. I can tell, terrible. You don't know what the co-driver was saying before. You crash or you just take your own risk by driving the road and not listening anymore for the co-driver. That's why sometimes I just change it into Portuguese, Spain or Russia or something. Was very fun, by the way. Italy as well. In the end, it cost me, of course, a lot of time. But that's why I don't like to talk in race. And to explain what I'm dealing down with these RPG or MMO games, something like that, it's complete what the fuck, you know. Forget about it. Oh man, your car sits on fire. And they're just gone. Yes! Reef control. What is that? Next. Oh shit. I forgot. These tables making trash as well, and trash makes actually getting me the money away from my vehicle. Oh. You're not waiting for me, right? Now, come on! What the hell was that? Ah, the game is so noisy loud. Thing I say. So loud! Something's wrong today with me. Normally I don't care. At the same time I'm sobering when I'm actually starting up to drink beer. The fuck? I hate that feeling. Huh? I was fifth, man. What happened? Ah, that weirdo game there. With that weirdo dude to play that weirdo stuff there with that weirdo controller from China. It says Sony. Yeah, yeah. It has the label on as well from Japan. A book crack. Horny slash. The bum 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 music. My grandmother. I think that was 2001 to 2002 or something. I found actually a good game called Need for Speed. No, was it Need for Speed? Ah, there was something else. No, yeah, it was Need for Speed. It was not the most wanted. It was Underground 2, right? Yeah, here we go. Played it over the Xbox. And there was always these gangster music running around, right? So there was a little ritual actually before I go to the construction school. I was playing in the morning time for a half hour, or maybe not. I just activated only the Xbox in the morning time, and that was for 23 years ago. Something like that. Or was it 2001? I can't remember, but it doesn't matter. So I activate only the console and play the game because to listen to the music. It means I was going into a race. And then I checked actually these playlists out. Or was it before a race? You can deal down actually what kind of a music you want to listen actually, right? So I just played the music, was going outside of the balcony and smoke. And then I was actually going into the construction school nearby, 5 kilometers away. So I just take the cycle. But in the afternoon, and I was actually doing that silent. In the afternoon, I just was making actually my amplifier on. And down below was the kitchen. And my grandmother was actually listening to this German folk, Hansi Hinterseer and Wildecker Herzbuben or something like that crack. I just was really annoyed, man, because actually when I go outside to smoke, before actually this drag racer was coming up with some of this crack, you know, my grandmother was baking or cooking, and always the window was up, you know, opened up actually down below. And I listened to that stupid folk music. So I activated and bought me actually from my uncle away an amplifier with good boxes. And sent them actually on fire, just stop the game, just go to the playlist, listen to 50 Cent or Snoop Dogg or Ice Cube or something, you know, or T.I. I think T.I. I listened most. I popped it up, you know, a little bit in here. And then I was going down, and then, because the smell, she's cooking again, you know. And then some she was saying then, because she would turn it louder, these Hansi Hinterseer or Wolfgang Petri with Hölle, Hölle, Hölle. And so, then she was saying, because I asked, why are you turning the volume so much up? And then my grandmother was saying, it's because your boom boom music up there is annoying loud, so I'll pop up my music as well. Because your generation, you know. Alright. So as my aunt then came later home, as I was with the dog, having a walkie, you know, she'd go to the grandmother, to her mother better say, open up. Why is it so fucking loud in here? It's so annoying! Was going up then and changed clothes, of course, from working. Come to me inside the room, and you're done the same. Why the hell? Why the fuck is your music so loud? Poof, you are annoying! And then she was going to the bathroom and turn around. Actually, I can't remember what she was, the Zoom 41 or something. Kind of these American music. She was actually playing these dance music there, or whatever, electro or what it was. She turned the music on. And so I was going on the other side to smoke my cigarette at that time, because at that time I started up to smoke my cigarette the first time. I was going to the other side over actually the garage, and I couldn't listen actually to that stupid music from my aunt. I thought, I have one trick right now. My uncle, as I was young, that was giving me a boom blaster, right? So I just should actually get it in here and just pump up the music as well on the side. So actually no, I never did that because the neighborhood, you know. It's a small village there, it was that time, so yeah, it's still bad. Man, she was pissed. The worst one was Saturday in the morning time. Nobody was playing music. We meted at each other, or Sunday maybe there was, in the morning time to a brunch in the kitchen. Everybody was steering each other. It was just 2 years I was actually on the side of my grandmother and my aunt. And as we couldn't steer each other in the eyes anymore, everybody steered then to the dog. And the dog was then actually, what's it called in English? Just shouted out, right? And all the time he shouted out because he was so get watched. He hated it. So he shouted out then. Goes nuts and stuff like that. Everybody was then angry on that dog. And the dog was not playing the music, right? The dog was then angry on us. Oh my hellness. He was pissed. Tried to get out the room. Somehow we decided actually to bring up we had then headsets with cable and stuff. I was the one without a cable actually in that time, with Bluetooth already. Oh, these 2 years, man. These 2 years. I was saying to my patchwork family mother actually, alright, I need to go out of here. If you have problems with myself, my problems, not space enough in your brain because you have, you know, 9 other sisters, daughters better say, and so it's kind of, what the hell? I'm going to my grandmother and my aunts. Oh, hell, no. And I swear my hell. My grandmother was always saying, you have to be done the stupid car license. I was going in there because she wanted it, and that's why I never actually ended up the driver license. Had the chance actually a couple of years later on the construction company, we'll build it up actually for a construction license company, his house and his compound. But then the army was coming up as well, and I was saying I'd do it in the army time in Berlin for 6 weeks or something, you know. I even did it. I just was gone by the army and just was coming back as construction work. Yep. I was 26, I gave up with the driver license. Can we go now? What are we driving? A car? Justin Bieber fan number 1. Super fast! You had to watch that movie, goddammit. What are you driving? A car? No! What kind of type of car you have? A unicorn? Oh my god! Hey, my man, brother! Pump it! He shoveled his pants down and looted it actually on the street. Oh, you're so disgusting, man! Ooh, I'm sorry, mate. Mighty mate. Are you waiting for us? Bulky? Huh? Oh, that was just luck. Oh, thank you. On the beloved BMW. Wow, so many competition! What the mother do you say? Oh, I love that Most Wanted, the first one in 2002. Oh, you son of a mother in hell, took me. As you have to escape from the police all the time. And the spikes was on. These police vehicles you crashed actually, that's still staying actually on that road. Not wankishing. And you have to deal down the weight of these stupid vehicles as well to escape. And that stops you all the time when you run into the spikes because they're covered in this trash pile of cop cars actually and rhinos and whatever. That was that was a hicking actually. I wanna say try to actually fuck up, but I wanna hick up. Oh hell. If it goes actually in the here we go again. If it goes actually both direction. Because the Carolina Reaper is, I think, in the middle part of my stomach right now. The powder, better say. Man, even I cracked that yesterday on that stone vessel there. With that stone thing you can crash, right? It's kind of... Smell already was going into my nose for what kind of ass you are. I say, okay, we did actually over one day actually nothing to eat. We was drinking and was trying to make actually kind of a Ramadan day or something. One day, I better say, not 30 days. 28 days, I can't remember what they'd even done, but the road is getting bigger. And the reward gets smaller. So... I say, you really wanted these done after that one actually when you were sleeping on Beer Festival and CarX? It was more like actually a diarrhea beer festival actually. And still actually my face is right now actually hot as crack. It's inside hot, better say. If I'm touching it, it's cold. I'll be poisoned, man. A new bundle of joy. A new bundle of joy. What is this guy doing? He's charged right now. He was bringing out actually in December already some video. Game it out, I think it calls. Let's game it out, right? Why don't I change something in here? Sold. It's like a heart stopper. If you already sold it. I mean, sell it. Sold it, sell it. Dang. Dang, the dang. Ah, that was the talking about the Nissan. Set. Here we go. So he didn't actually, he's actually so far like me. Because he talked about there's some other package you gain maybe later on. They talked about a Nissan, right? I thought actually the Nissan Skyline. And yesterday the other dude actually was saying he already got these 4 cars. I mean, from these events. Right? What the fuck? McLaren Solos GT, never heard. Senvo I know, but Aurora Agile? Oh my gosh. I'm a total noob, even I'm interested about these cars all the time. That is so crazy. Or as I say, sick. Sick. Sure, why not? What the fuck? Let me guess. They had the 20 times actually in it. An import ass part. Now let's see. 4 times. 4 times, of course. You know what it is. The handling, the nitro, the top speed, the acceleration. Did I speed that out right? Acceleration? Oh my god, I was saying acceleration. Acceleration. I wanna play the tough boy today, eh? Aren't I? Looking in her eyes, and the bark came out of my mouth. Tearing just blood. Such a nice music I have to drink. I think I'm drinking permanently in here. Okay, that's my second beer actually. 2 shredded, one from yesterday and 1 original right now. It's 72 minutes! As I was dealing down the family tree, right? I was making a line then. And get covered. I'm the only one that has no goggles. What's it calling? If you have, yeah. So, because you have wrong side or something, see better in close man instead of actually the widest, the farness, you know, whatever. So I was going 1 step forward because everybody in my family carries the goggles. So I'm the first alcoholic in my family. I know I'm drinking too much, and actually I am the first alcoholic. 1 step back. I'm on the line again. I have no license, and everybody else has a license for a car. 1 step back. So I'm -1. What's the other one? Oh yeah, I'm with the alcoholic. Oh yeah, that's it. No, that was something else. I'm the only one that don't need friends, and nobody else actually. And everybody has connected by friends and have still friends and visit them. 1 step back. About this problem that the half family don't want kids and the other half family had kids. That was actually 50-50, so 0. So I was actually -2 steps back in my family. I'm not even actually a family member anymore. Let's see, my uncle, from my uncle, the father, but I say from my grandmother, the husband, I never actually get taught about him, got to learn him, because he was going down to a tractor before I was born. He was actually slim and a bit muscly. And the other grandfather, I know actually until I was 9, he was like Homer Simpson, but not much like Homer Simpson, but let's say Homer Simpson style, alright? So I have a mixed person as well about these. A musclery, but actually fat. What the fuck? We go out from my grandfathers, because you have the face like I have the face like my father, but the DNA is more like from the grandfathers, right? It's the same about girls, of course. That these have from grandmothers actually. the DNS as well, looking like she had the nose like grandmother or something like that, you know. I feel totally lost about it. That's why I just want to visit actually a 24th or 25th actually my uncle, better say my grandmother. Oh, no long time. Well, I'll go to foot. Burning some calories better than actually we have a bicycle. I'm too fat for a bicycle with 126 kilogram. I had these with the feathers on, you know, these spring stuff. And yeah, the last year actually we was going actually to the construction party on a restaurant, a Bavarian one, and so I just was going with the cycle in there, and I was actually when I'm going to the corner, I can't actually go with the bicycle into corners or something, or a little bit actually swag and negative. I already hit actually the pedal to the asphalt because the back, I think the back spring actually these are kind of compressed actually PSI. They're losing immediately actually the PSI because I think there's some rubber ring there actually not working actually more. So Dichtungsring, whatever they call it in English. I'm sorry for that one. So it's from kind of 4 bars, or I don't know the PSI. 4 bars actually goes all the time to 2 bars and hold it then. So there's a little leak or something. Yeah. The time I just bought actually the bicycle, I was about 90 kilograms. Now I'm 120, 127. That was the maximum the last week. Or last week. Oh gosh, it's Monday. It's actually by staying home, drinking too much actually, eating as well. When it's become summertime, it's about 120, 170 kilograms again. I'm holding that actually the last 3 years. I'm not getting fatter or something. Come on, mouse. Noisy loud. Pop music, my man. Easy. The ass spreader. You were suspicious something was in your trunk, sir. Oh, come on! Oh my gosh. What was my chance, man? From one disaster into the next disaster. Yes! I have no power anymore. Get raped these days. Stay where you are. Give me your soul. Oh, that actor just died this year, right? And he was Japanese, man. I thought all the time he was Chinese. He's actor from Mortal Kombat, better known. Ow, that hurts in my ears, Forsake. I think I'm speaking very loud, can it be? That game, mate. I think that was for 3 weeks ago that the actor from Mortal Kombat there at that time for the movies would say all the time, "Give me your soul. Your soul is mine, or belongs to me." He died away. I thought actually he's a Chinese actor. He was Japanese, man. Yeah, because the Chinese face stuff like that, you know, and actually he was so angry then, and your soul belongs to me. And then I thought like, oh yeah, he's Chinese maybe or something. I was wrong on him. He was a very funny guy or something. Like all as it is, right? Listen. I like the music, man. I like that great written. What happened? Hello. Reversed reality. No problem, man. Reversed reality. Ole. Hello. Man, what's wrong with me today? Well, I'm fine. I'm good, man.
You done the Starway?
Well, what happened? We just broke his leg. You done the Starway? No. My answer was just no. As accurate, actually. No,
I've gotten
don't.
my Hurricane to 4-star because of it.
And that's why I should scamly going actually there and see what happened. I just want to go over there and just immediately goes to the stupid showroom I hate. Get me out of there. I just was going left, nothing more. Huh? Oh no, I know what you mean. I think that was actually for a couple of months ago, as I was playing on DjVolgin account, that I was bringing the cars together. The event is ready. No, the event is not ready. What I tell you, that's a stupid scam. Also, I wanted actually the full ride, and I don't have it. Normally I have the Vulcan, but I don't have the IE9 or something they're called. I can't remember. And the other one, is it a Ferrari or is it the W70? I can't remember, man. I don't see, better say the emblem. No,
those
sir, I don't.
cars are SE to get anyway.
Yeah, easy in here, easy in there, man. Even up. Everything's good, man. Enjoy your coffee. Oh man, I have to enjoy something else, I think. Not again. Obviously, need to go to use the toilet, man. Because yesterday on the noodles, I just was like
support cars at 4-star in just 4 months.
This is my 4th account in 7 months already playing for plotting. But I got something better for you, man. Explain me that shit. What happened here? 100% career. Okay. You know, I'm playing other video games. Like CarX. Already yesterday I played this Wulong. I hate this game. I love actually a character edition. Like to edit actually the character, better say.
Damn,
I'm sorry.
that's a flex.
That is a glitch, man. I don't know how that happened. It was for 2 days ago. I checked actually my I check some live stream. I'd say sometimes. I just come in here, checking actually the shop, just checking out my daily goals, and then I'm gone to Elder Scrolls Online, something like that on DjVolgin account. So I came back in here, right, on yesterday, I think in the morning time, and so I was, what the hell? Why I have 100% right now? I have actually here also. Hold on, I have a link. I can send it to you as well. Hope it helps a little bit. Where it is? There it is. I'm linking in. So if you have read it, then just go there and just. I'm not the only one with that problem, but it's 2 or 3 months or 5 months old then. But yesterday I wrote them. No answer until now. I think 3 watches or something. So I came back in here, right, and I saw actually 1918 flags. And I need actually the gold trophy for 800 flags. But look what happened.
Wanna play private lobbies?
Still the progress is actually original. But the other problem is that to get the trophy, you need actually to go in here and claim it to get these 800 flag trophy. And as you see here, check back later for more goals. I have already all the flags. That's fucked. Wanna play private lobbies? Nah, dude. I have my mission here.
No.
It calls actually going to multiplayer, going actually to a special event, going here and there, career mode. And then I'm actually leaving because I'm drinking alcohol and smoking my cigarette. Sorry for that one. Or cigarettes, better say. It's Monday morning anyway. And it's freezing cold. So, it's a glitch. Something. I was shocked. Seriously. I was coming back in here and saw actually them to go to career. Huh? Not in my dreams. No, I can't be so drunk that I did actually these... I don't know how many races that is. Maybe 500 races or something in the career mode to do the done. That's really fucked, man. That's weird. Alright, let's go multiplayer first. Now, I just playing this account since 2 months, but mixed up. But not 2 months completely every day playing. So I'm a construction worker and I have my meetings, you know, something like that. And I'm playing other video games on my other accounts, you know, so platinum this one and here and there, and coming back actually to DefNation4Real. Easily explained, these are the 4 accounts actually I'm playing with. Where are you going? Enter the club.
Makes sense, man. Play for fun.
So as you see in here, that's DefNation4Real, right? This is my account I created for 2 months ago, only for this game. But I already have 8 platines or something. And these games are not even showing up in online mode, I don't know why, on the PlayStation 4. By other people that visiting it, I can say it. DefNation CB was the last one I got platinum. And DjVolgin was the first one for 7 months ago, I just platinized in 3 weeks. And Anniversity Takeshisato aka Yamamoto Yunichiro is actually the account that was the second one I platinized. So this is actually my 4th time to go to platinizing, and as I say, I have a little problem, and that's the career mode. I already did everything, but I didn't get a trophy for that. Is it even possible to get? So I want to go forward in here until imaginary I have my 800 flags, right? Let's see what's coming up. Maybe I get the trophy and got the platinum then. I'm not sure. That's the last platinum, last gold trophy anyway to be done with until the platinum. So let's see. A called Game Loft can't actually tell me something about it. It's very rare that people's had that, and I can prove it right now. I have 3 accounts by maximum of 40 to 50% actually career mode, because then you get the platinum by 800 flags, and kind of 918 was my on DjVolgin the first account, because I toddling around actually, because I do not know how the game was working for 7 months ago. I wasn't playing other video games like CarX, D.R.O or something, you know, and I don't know. But just an accident, this happened, right? So I can prove I'm not glitching this. I'm not cheating or something, you know. I'm on a PlayStation 4 anyway. I'm using Safe Wizard, but not for this game, because it's not getting out for codes or something out there. But yeah, forget about it. Right, let's go multiplayer. What's with the sushi bar? And I'm sorry that I don't can answer you directly, because I have earplugs actually in from Spotify. Have the headset on actually for that girl is speaking me out when you make a commentary. And also actually listening music from that game out in there. Translating German and English, and I'm terrible. Makes sense, man. Play for fun. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching your while. Enjoy your coffee. Or your water. Or breathing in and out the air. Did you just fart? Just kidding. Beer in the morning time. Oh, it's nodding in the morning. Crap! All died away or something? Same time, I broke his foot up in his ass. There we go. Ah, that's enough players contenders, man. Let's keep them moving. Yeah. Burst for 7 months ago, actually, I was always playing 4 versus 3, or 3 versus 4, something like that. Crack. What a beard. Whoa. Igor is fast. Yes, come with me! Oh my god, come on, let me go! You people's getting wrecked in here. You're driving too far. All the season reason. You know, the rival team is winning this one. Because he's too slow. Now I'm talking about it. So God, no, don't go there. There's something in the tequila. That's why 35% instead of 38%. I think that's just done cocaine in there or something. Served well. Condition. Yeah. Oh, it's getting a little bit bumpy in here. Oh, what is this? Grinding walls now? Oh, mother in hell, I can't be a girl. The M600, I almost want to say mobster. There's a car there called 003S. Isn't it not a Glickenhaus? I'd say 003S. Or like the Americans say, it's an 003S. Oh, it's foggy as hell out there, god thanks. Because the sun not already been up. Oh yeah, today's Monday, right? Oh, Wednesday we got snow. Unbelievable! The American just opened up at the 25th, actually, about a ton of presents. Well, I'm talking so weird. Alright, a claim. There's so many coins on the screen. Why I'm so pushed today? I think it's coffee the morning time I was drinking for a while. That was even a cup. That was the first time actually I bring it into actually some kind of a vessel and just heat it up. The coffee from yesterday. My gosh. That was 2 liters of coffee. Mocha with P6 actually. Some vitamin stuff. Calcium, magnesium in there. I think it's a Caroline Reaper something. It's activate again. Something stormy. I like the turbulence, flatulence. Oh, look at that! I was actually 50 something else, and now I'm at 72,000. The biggest loser for today. Mio Dio, amigos. There should play actually a slow poke core. Yeah, the Wonder as well. Wanda Electronics. They really bought these licenses, right? Even from Lego. Man, the game poked out actually a lot of money away. Can't decide. So many dumbass cars in here. Wow, we still have actually the overclock. How many hours left? 3 hours and 5 minutes. What was it saying? Oh, right. Jesus Christ as hell. My stomach hurts. Never, never. Powder the size actually a Carolina Reaper and get it into your noodles. Even if it was actually nice to deal and eat up. I feel sick like hell. But that's why I couldn't actually stand that Wulong game there. And also it's actually very cold in my room. Oh my gosh, that's a shadow, man! Shoot it! These pumps, man! Working. Smoking too much. People are making donation stuff and getting away, right, these days. I got the wrong cigarette just bought off. Better say I was the right one I just actually bought, but I just was get the wrong one. I just was get the filters with the cigarettes. I hate them. Break it away and just smoking them then. Also ordered actually for Friday, came Saturday actually this Urea 60%. I just by an accident yesterday I was so much actually in my hand because my leg is just injured actually over 10 years now, and I need a little cream for that. So not bruised or something, but just the veins inside actually getting here and there some black parts, you know, and I just, you know, they say actually urea helps. It really starts up the health. And that was something they actually stuck in my hand already, and I just was saying, where it goes? My pack is already finished, I put it in my face. I was woke up this morning actually at 2 o'clock. Like, what the hell, man? What's so itchy? And I was watching my mirror, and they're everywhere crusts. From a little bruise in here, a little cut there from the construction side. For steel cutting and stuff like that, you know. I was sledgehammering the wall, getting the mortar away, the old one beast. Doesn't matter. I was like a newborn baby. I was like a snake. Just get away his skin. I know these cream... I had to go to the toilet, man. By 30% already have a small tube of that. That brings a lot of effect after 2 days. You don't see actually your cut not anymore. Better than Bepatine. Bepatine? Bepatine? What's it called in English? Bepatine. I just call it like that. Oh. No. I didn't shit myself. The bar says, it's the bar's tractor. Ah! Odd. Something like that, then I say, I shit myself. Let's go back to the tractor and do done my farm work. What? That was much as well. Second time I step up, down next to the tractor. It stopped actually by these it doesn't fit anymore. Still the socks are full. Das heißt Gummistiefel auf Englisch eigentlich. Rubber boots are just full as well, covered in diarrhea already. Shoot. That was a gassy day. I can't sit down and pee at the same time when I'm making big stuff, you know, do the butter. I always have the last days actually stand up and pee then. What the hell? Do me a favor, if you just love hot food or something, or spicy food, get your fingers away from the Carolina Reaper. It cost me $20. And $10 I eat, and $10 I just throw away. Oh, my boss is at home. What the hell? Of course it's Monday. And I need a beer. Monday morning. Oh, who's that? Evelyn. Oh. See if she's actually there the afternoon. I thought actually she got every day. Why I'm taking beer from the fridge, man? I'm an idiot. Oh, whatever. Now I have it in my hand. Sure. Oh, it reeks here. Excuse me, just sit down. Didn't touch the beer. Oh, that's nice smell. This Daniel Richter makes good parfum. It says it smells good in my room now. What are we doing with that? Oh yeah, multiplayer racing. Oh, that's new. Server error. Could not execute action on the server. Oh. I know on the Elder Scrolls today, on 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock 40 or something, they have actually maintains work. Oh, that's a new error. Wow. The office was saying actually my Wi-Fi is not okay, my internet sucks. Now it says could not execute action on the server. I think they have a maintenance as well on Monday. Oh, please not. I'm running out of games. Okay, I have CarX. I always have a second plan. Plan B. Ooh, look at that bird, man. He brings children's. Where's that bag? It's a small one or something. I think he found the frog. Something was in the mouth. Oh, Germans, man. Watch them out. Watch them out. What kind of German is this? English. They say I'm speaking Denglish. When I hear that word, man, you're not even speaking very good English. I'm not the best one as well. They'll say Denglish I'm speaking. I hate that word. Yes. I'm in the blue team. I'm actually in the violet team or something. You'd like to crack your little car somewhere else, what are you doing, done with? Oh, come on, not again, man. What's the paint? Oh, my struggle. You're not doing that. What the hell? How you do that? Meep meep. It's me, the Lotus. I hate that. Immediately you get shot in the face. Maybe one. Adascus killer or Adascus killer? Oh, the Elite Sprint 220? Are you kidding me? I thought the Warwick Sport 410 is faster. I see so many people have that BMW. Once I was gathered in DjVolgin account. God's sake. Oh. Oh, mother and sickness, why I just did that? Oh well, it's a 6K. What's that? Solid retard reward. I can't hear music anymore. That's the second time we're here, right? Oh gosh, now we have to fight back to get like that. Sorry. Wow, he was driving a D.R.O. That's crazy. Sick. Sicko. Sie hat ein paar einer Schraube sind, so wie Gott auf die geschaut. Da kehrt er mal wieder aufgewischt. Drachenlord, bist du es? So what the hell is going on with that guy? Oh, I don't think I am that guy, yeah. He's famous more than myself, dude. Nothing more to pronounce? Nope. Arigato. Arigato. Son. Knee. Itch. Ray? Uh-oh. Gone. Oh, come on, server. No, you can be done. Come on. Seriously, the worst. Whoa, thunder. Oh man, the German bomb is late again. The German bomb. That's seriously English. The German bomb. Ooh,
Takoyaki! Okay, desu.
Takoyaki. Holy shit, how hard to speak that. The angry angel. Huh. I'm like a fallen angel now. Sick music in the background, actually, a big game in here. Gain your reward! Well, Pow Pow the cat didn't actually run today. I lost more shit at battery. Sometimes I forget to actually get the battery out of the Pow Wow cat there. That's the red straw hat there. And at night time, actually waking up then, and or daylight, doesn't matter, and then I hear it all the time. Click, 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 click. I say, where the hell is that bomb again? As he talked yesterday actually about a trap bomb or trap mine actually on my under my actually toilet seat. He played these How to Survive 2, right? And I said it was actually, oh, that was the morning actually. I'm sorry for that one. I wrote that down. So in the end, I came on the idea actually, yeah, under my toilet seat actually. Oh, I forgot actually where that trap mine is. My room looks like actually that game itself. What I just pumped up actually these safe room for the pillin. Funny shit. Look at my work room. It looks like as well there. I stand up and it just get decapitated. But I'm not sure about the toilet, man. Where that trap mine? I totally forgot where it is. So it's very hard to go to the toilet these days. Claiming. Can see this explosion like in my brain. The part of actually where they send us actually the information like I lost the synapse in this time. Every time that makes it clicks, losing a synapse. A 3,000. At 2,700. At 2,200. At 2,400 as well. Oh no. Oh my gosh. We don't have that. Oh, we have. I'm sorry. 2,700 we don't have. My mistake. We pumped up the car yesterday. That's all what I can say. We just pumped the car a little bit up and yeah. It takes a month or something we get store free. I don't know how other people's actually done that stuff. Micro cash in stuff, you know. Escape. Can I drive now? Oh man, wrong move. No! Ah, crap. Couldn't go any more there. Wow, 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 what the hell? 11 was my best streak. Oh, come on, that's not fair. I need a deep smoke now. Yeah, exactly. I'm not smoking like that, holy shit. I have construction workers when I'm getting them actually my cigarettes. 100% tobacco, of course, from Brazil. They're smoking it faster than myself, and they're chilling out these ones. That's why I don't have these coughings in the morning time. I need actually 50 minutes to smoke it away, right? The wind outside. So they're smoking it in 5 minutes. What the fuck? And then they always go, oh, they're so hard to smoke and hot and all this stuff. Say, chill, man. What the hell, man? It costs a little bit more than like your cigarette. Now the cigarettes, you can maximize smoking 8 minutes long. I say 7 minutes actually. They cost now actually more than my cigarettes. Again. I think next year my cigarettes are costing a little bit more than the cigarette. Already we are, hold on. One cigarette actually is by 42 cents already. Holy shit. And my construction time where I was starting actually my learning the stuff. I think that was by 24 cents, 20 cents, something like that. My gosh. Okay, that was for 20 years ago, plus. Sorry, I'm addicted. I'm an alcoholic. Yeah, sure. Just drinking to get actually the diarrhea away with these Carolina Reaper in myself. Oh, come in aside, sorry. Loud. The popo at. The popo? Doesn't matter where you go. Oh, and immediately he's popping back. Yo. Haha. Oh, that was close. Oh, no, I can't do it, dog. What? Yeah, wonderful. See what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? And... oh, not exploding. Can I go forward? No. Mission objective. You have failed. I will obstruct. Yeah, I did. Blah 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 blah. I can remember up that Need for Speed Undercover. I loved actually to play the Bugatti as it would come out to the game, especially because I played actually Undercover also on PC version at my first apartment. When I always had unlimited nitros. The car was overgoing actually then 403 kilometers. But there was always these going against the police, and oh my gosh. And I have a video out there I found actually the last days, 13 minutes long. I can't go online with that I think on YouTube because I played music with that video. I just mixed it up with the Magic Video Maker. Doesn't matter. I more than actually 200 police cars in each 13 minutes I destroyed. Go backward, forward. That was so much fun. But that was actually these kind of cheat engine in there for the undercover, you know, so unlimited and unlimited actually nitros. Blast, man! I watched that actually twice, 27 minutes long actually in the same. I was impressed by my movement actually for more than, I think it was for 19 or 20 years ago. I think Undercover was coming out 2004, right? I can't remember actually. Need to watch actually these Googling or Wiki. Nope. The rabbit speaks. I'm a self-made man, but I can't live by my own set of rules. Help me run from the cops. Ballsack. Oh, not an escape. I can't believe it. So my genes to say actually you lose today. Heart hurts a bit. I should stop talking crack. She's up Campana Schwab, it's a little bit called the next beam. What's the farmer saying? Nonsensely, I shit in my pants. In my trousers? You shitting me?
Adrenaline rush.
Oh man, sorry. We lost the truck that delivers fine-ass refreshed beer. Come on, buddy. I see you. Thank you.
Arigato gozaimashita.
I touched you twice. Not bringing peace or something, eh? Son of a security card. You're up the chimney of the compound smoking. There's still actually what cut this over here. Oh man, I was a little bit in shock. Oh no. What I do wrong? What I do wrong? Crash car delivery. Oh, I hate that. When the BGM music is playing, and the Spotify is actually playing in my earplugs, I can't concentrate talking. Target time 125. We did it in a coffin. Done. Another one we can't go forward actually. Why these syndicate points are rising? Something's weird in here. Look the mirror, man. Finish the race. I don't think so. Nitro bubbles 5. Perfect nitros. Perfect nitros. I forgot to beef out, god damn it. I think we can get done one of these objectives. Come on. Already forgot them. Wrong way. He's doing it because he's a rock star. The rock stars. Paris. How does that mouth down low?
Good luck out there. For this time. You noob.
What's the missions again, man? Really? I'm powdered actually through by the music and actually by my stupid speaking in here. Nitro bottles 5. Perfect nitros. 3 times. Come on, boy. Get me done. Okay, play the collector. I don't want to go there. Let's keep it there. That line there. Be sure to get that nitro bottle, Must be a demon in my room.
Incorrect.
See that there was 4 people actually watching me, my crack. Instantly, actually, 1 was gone, and everybody's gone to the rapture. Now it's only 1 person. That's myself. Cheers up, myself. What's going, man? It's windy. Oh wow, it's awesome windy out there. Shoot. Cheers. No wonder so much air comes in, and it's just like even my legs are freezing. Starting up by more wet toes, actually. Chain smoker. I'm sorry. I even hate myself for that. Best way to stop smoking? Having a girlfriend. Over that blah 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 blah. Wake with you, go sleep with you. I mean, go to bed with you. Maybe sometimes sleep with me. Once a year. Because I'm old. She's old. Dämlichen Verpflichtungen, oder? Like that, man had to work. All these information. Something like actually you get feminist and shit. You want to be the man? I'm the man. Both working. Who cares about the children, right? Or they had a cell phone with 2 years old. But that doesn't matter for that one. I'm just, you know, get the power to make you a kid. A baby. Super cool. Oh man, super fast, man. Like that. I have a baby. And you don't recognize what she's meaning. I love you too. A baby. Huh? He's just telling me all the times. No, whatever. So, the point is, I'm going to work, coming home, need to work, have a license drive, building up the money actually for buying me a house or something, having a little bit cozy actually for the girlfriend. She come home and say, I had the same work as well as you and earn even more than you as a construction worker. Honey, you know, what was that word? S-E-S? X? I can't remember what that word was. Why we are together again? It makes no sense anymore these years. These generations are fucked up now. So kids, good luck out there. Who find a good girlfriend? She's maybe not working. Why we stopped in here? Oh yeah, I'm an alcoholic. Cheers up. Drink. Vamos. Oh, sorry. How many bottles already I got? I'm pretty sure. Oh no, not yet. Hey, I'm first! I can't believe it! What the hell I thought? Go to the right side in the tunnel again. Oh, come on. Everywhere police. Thank you. Why the server stopped? They say lol, right? Not go. They say lol. Since 7 months I talked about that problem. They say lol. Not go. Lol. Imagination is one of the best power you have in your brain. Keep it up. Man, my English sucks for today. Music here, music there. Hear myself talking because the earplugs always plopping out. Man, that was actually 5 minutes, right? Because of talking too much. Sorry for that one. Nonsensely, after 25 minutes I'm not talking in the live stream anymore. Hey, we gained some suspicious points. Syndicate points. Oh, my stomach, man. Hurry. Get ready for a professional job and take the car my association place. That? What does that mean? Status? That? Oh, hold on. That is something like mother talk or something, right? Splendid. Dearly acting. I don't know what it is. Keep on moving. Oh, not again. Perfect runs. Oh, 16 feet. I got you. Why we don't can change cars meant to Chimero? The beginning was so awesome. By having two cars then, you know, change back, change forward, with another car. What is this, a career mode? Why are we still playing this game? We should actually go to CarX now. Whoa, 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 whoa. Cat, you scaring me out. Hold on. You can't see that, right? But the wind is out there. The cat has no battery inside his ass. But still the pow actually. She whipping. It's when I get original actually slowly out at the battery out of his crack ass. Sorry. I'm gonna have to point it like that one. There's the battery. There's the pow. That's the cat. And she's starting up to wink because the funds are out there, you know. Stop that stupid. Played too much GTA nonsensely actually. Cab drivering. And to get the battery out of her got crack. She's pow actually 5 minutes or something. Goes on and on. I think the cat is possessed or something. No wonder about these two other dudes here. Guy with a Mac and actually these Nitro'theBat actually smoking my cigarettes also. Oh, I have a feeling I need to go to the toilet. I think I can leave you alone or something for a little while. Let me know if actually the cat started up to fly or something. Oh, it's that cold, man. Is she back? Nope, she's not home. Construction manager's actually sister. Be right back. Microphone on. I have to do a call. Normally I have to go to the D.R.O. Oh, wow. I'm always washing, cleaning my hands or whatever, briefing my hair or whatever. Just brushing my teeth actually with cold water. I need to call actually the D.R.O. management, better say the sister of my boss, and let her know actually material is laying actually a letter actually on the construction table there. Because to refill the woodcut facility, Wednesday is Christmas, right? In kind of Germany, they say. And at the Wednesday actually I came to 1670 o'clock actually over there and refill the woodcut facility because twice actually the Sunday comes up, the first day and Friday. And I don't want to refill these days, so Saturday morning then. So today actually I need to refill actually between 15 and 17 o'clock, but I have to ask her how long she is actually in the D.R.O. So, hold on a second. Oh man, my ass is burning. Crack. Let's see. Hold on a sec. Get the earplug out. Ears. Alright. Was it the number digits again? Blah blah blah. No, totally wrong. Especially wrong. Whoa, whoa, whoa. My fingers are so frozen up. Instead of 0, it makes an 8. Now tapped 8 because I was saying 8. I can't believe what's going on. Sollte schon die richtige Nummer sein. Ja, ich bin's, der Christopher. Ich hab die gerade mit den Hund gesehen vor einer halben Stunde. Und ich denke, jetzt rufst du mal schnell an. Ich hätte noch Material vom Bartsch hätte ich noch auf dem Tisch liegen, aber das ist leider bei der Gabelstapler-Garage vorhanden. Erstens das, weil ich möchte erst heute refüllen, also die Hackschnitzelanlage um 3, dass ich dann am Mittwoch am Nachmittag auch hinkomme, wegen die 2 Sonntags, dass ich erst am Samstag wieder. Ich darf gerne rüberkommen, aber ich habe gerade einen Livestream, geht jetzt gerade nicht. Ist nicht der Punkt. Der Punkt ist bloß, der liegt auf dem Tisch auf jeden Fall. Und, weiß nicht, das Krankkastel, wenn du noch brauchst für einen Wonneberger, das liegt unterm Sitz da drin. Genau. Nicht, dass der Storberger seinen Container nicht irgendwie wegrammen kann oder so, dann passt schon. Ja. Nein, ich würde bloß sagen, Tagschnitzel kann ich erst heute Abend machen, dass ich dann hinkomme, weil das dauert zwei Tage oder was, da muss ich wieder nachfüllen. Weil ich möchte nicht die Sonntage, ich möchte nicht reinrutschen, dass ich da nachfülle, was schon am 25., 26. Alles gut. Jo. Dankeschön, gell. Wenn man sich nicht mehr sieht, schöne Weihnachten, gell. Habe ich dir vierte. Whoa. Aha. Now I know sometimes why my keyboard actually writes for me. Because I let actually down my cell phone on the keyboard. I was too fast by talking. And now I understand you peoples. Because sometimes I'm talking too fast. That's why people's coming in, watching, say what the hell is going on with him. I don't understand no word. I hate the cell phone. When you try to type, clicking actually on this live button there, here we go. My finger don't want to go there. It says live, but I click actually on this live button, I do it. It tricks me, makes me mad. Rising. Like The Shining with Homer Simpson, they actually pranked that one, right? And then they sitting in the snow, and in the end, actually, they're seeing the TV. And the TV was coming up and show program, and there was bad program, and actually Homer Simpson then I just said like this. My anger is rising. Rising. Oh! And then actually, somehow Lisa just actually came to this channel button there and just switched the TV. Softened. And then rising, because some commercial came up, and they just wrote and actually there's no, whatever. Some kind of my mood sometimes as well, you know, being some funny, but sometimes actually get away. The dogs actually bone too much. The dog gets crazy. You know, it's me as well. Oh, losing too much. Sorry, Carolina Reaper actually still in my stomach. It's just, what the hell? Get cramps or something. Oh, no, yeah. My stomach. Where was I? Yeah, we talked about losing the synapse or something. Oh, the car has a driver. Never saw that before. Let's make a picture. I think it's a dummy, not a driver. She's up Capana Schweizer, so Lutz Gold Prostina spielen Tadamas, by the way, if you just switched in. have such a big TV, and I'm actually in front of it with my barrel chair, like kind of 50 to 70 centimeters. I see the driver, I see actually the zoom because the TV is a little sideways and on the angle. And so as I don't see the mission object, it's finish the race, perfect runs 2, and 360 in one go 3 times, right? I'm almost watching in the middle of the screen and see only actually the skeleton, resume options, and whatever that calls. Give up? Hold on, was that goof up? No, I do not know what that is. Kind of, don't know. So, yeah, that's why I feel like a dull. And you may see I'm a dull as well. The good thing, as I was told before, I have in my family the only guy not even Googles and have a good vision. Doesn't matter for that. The TV is too big and also prepared for me like a VR Google system or something already. I still have good eyes, but I'm not watching to the left side all the time, so good luck out there. Yeah, that was a perfect run. Catacombs.
Yay! Creeper Reaper.
Another perfect run, and we're done. Wow, shit. Oh, I can't move. Oh, fucked it up. Thank you to remember you have doors. The Spanish fly objective stuff. Yeah, AI has actually brains. Ow. Really try to go to the left side for the sake. Weak. I was 7, now I'm 8. Man! Is there 9 places as well to bring with the toilet seat or something? A lot of bullshit I'm talking. Shut up. Shoot. 8. I can't believe it. Hey, I'm laughing. Normally I'm getting angry. Should I get actually out the Caroline Reaper again from the garbage or something? Forget about it. Alright, I think... Oh, alright, let's do 4 other races in here, and then we going off to CarX or something, and then go sleep to get me into this 15 o'clock mode. Sorry. I had these sketch actually on these, what's it calling? The desktop here in Windows. And they're actually these when you just get picture into pictures by pictures from a picture by a picture or whatever it is, and then you see the little, what is that? What is it doing anyway in here? Hold on. Uber class Tweet of the Year stuff, and then there's actually these face of Metal Gear Solid Awesome and Conan O'Brien. My face is actually dual faces. You can see that on YouTube channel on myself in here. I just sent that actually as a street threat. What's it calling? These community, yeah, I think it calls like that. You can see actually the picture, and then you can click it on Facebook. You go to Facebook then, and you see the whole actually complete picture there. Collage, here we go, the collage, here we go. So I saw actually these snakes face and I said,
They told me they're laser day or something like Merlot.
oh, not escape mode again. God damn it, I hate that so much. She's auch kein panisch Rocket so du Gold brauchst nicht spielen. Anyway, we don't win this one. Foot up in his ass. Oh ja.
Yes. As well matches unite. Immense mini competition.
Oh, the whole crew.
Got the one.
Wake up, Mr. Security.
There's the microfilm.
Whoa, coming in hot. Baba Biba, Biba Baba, Dula. I'm gonna rat side my home. I think we win. Can't believe that. We won finally. Yay! Straight round. Today the generations come on. Up that Spotify musics. Songs, I mean. So poor we can't deal on that one. No wonder that people's already have their vehicles on the store up ranked 4, 5, 6, right? They always can play these one in here. For sake, I can't. I'm a noob. I hated that music. That's why the background music sometimes I just shut up. Whoa, 7 stuns. Hey, no problem, got a trick. Perfect nitros. Bounce. I'm real blind. Drink beer and making this oh, disgusting. You could crochet in my car? What?
The race is on.
Morning! These are the game love dudes? No, that's security. Why they shown up this in a movie? I need a picture, man. But actually my share button right now glues a bit. I think I made a picture. I don't know. A stupid Chinese controller had the label on Sony Japan. I kick your ass. I think I make already 6 pictures, but I'm not sure. Make another one. My fingers are so frozen, I don't know if it was clicking or not clicking on the control system. See that guy actually with his brain issues about headache or something. That's me. That's exactly me right now. I'm frustrated. Enjoy. Enjoy.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I love it. They're making actually a slow down in here. Thought actually that's the game loft DjVolgin. I'm sorry, my English. More smokes in my face.
Ganbatte. Iksayo.
Bye bye. Retarded. Los retardos.
Lapping your car. Lapping your car.
Need to clap. Whoa. Just about my ass actually on the wall. I remember. I have to do stunt 7 times. Is this counting as a stunt? The driver already left the car. Oh, come on! Oh, that was a good one. Completed. Completed. Mission objective completed. That's ass ranking. Look how foolish you're playing around. Huh? I'm 7. Oh, that's stupid green. Thought actually I'm the last one in here. But I got other one. These Ionic or whatever they're called, 5N. That looks actually like a Jeep or something. It's a rally car for me, man. That's stupid. My cop. Got intruder. Then talk about it. I grab me some beer and just, you know, resolve a bit. It's a bit cold. Knuckles already actually getting from actually green, blue into red right now, violet, whatever it is. I'll let you know if I lost a finger or something. Or something else. The 11th finger, if you know what I mean. Talk about it, man. Just talk about it, man. Give me your secret. Swallow it out. Barf it out. Oh, gosh. Bluff it out. The Japanese says bluff it out. Bluff it out. I'm still standing and standing and stand. Here we go. That was for 2 weeks ago. Standing in front of the toilet. Hurry, hurry up before the work starts up, right? I slipped a bit and I sprinkled all my pee all over the bathroom. I have to clean before the work. I called them my manager. That was an accident actually on toilet. My god. That was the first time I'm alive. I'm actually alive. Because my fingers were so frozen. I didn't know where my finger are. I dripped actually in that pee hole, better say, and sprinkled all around. Forsake. Yeah, I think I'm getting older or something. Or better close the window and have it warm when you get older. But not on me, man. That's a bitch ass crack side of me if you're smoking. Ci kapane Schwabi CD, so jetzt Gold brauchst die nicht geschaut. Eins! Shockwave near time. Oh, it's the same car. it looks so great. What do you want to change, Forsake? Why you want to change it? Oh. Hey, we just want to change something? Already a maximum. Oh, stupid analog stuff there. Is it even Pearl effect anymore? Down below the comments, these are free, man. Somebody dislike it, let me know right now. Hate something, just say on the comment, oh no. But there, that'll not. Just let me know. Cause right now I can bring it back. Green and the green. Aquamarine. That looks nice. Like a little child. That looks nice. What is this, for God's sake?
Splendid, they may say.
Okay, save that one. Hold on a second. Oh wow, holy shit. Okay, I'm stepped back forward now twice. We found something. For bloody sake. I don't need an answer. Oh, I tell you that one. Huh. These caterpillars are not working. Or better said, the brake's not working actually. They're too pitched high red. We can't change that. We have to give away money, right? You know. We got a little style coins, or tokens, or whatever to call them. Underscore. Oh no, I fucked it up. Oh no. Oh well, better than actually nothing. Alright, Unsen, no problem. Hello. Oh, here we go. Oh, very funny. Cold. Huh? There we go. Oh. Bit more. There we go. Right. I think it's okay. For just 2 minutes ago, I stepped back twice my step forward. A little parfum for the old bastard. Reeks out of his socks, underwear, face, noses, mouth breath. Hey, even cleaned my toes, goddammit, and even cleaned my teeth. English isn't hard, right? Don't play with my mind. It's all over before it starts up. Cheers! I tried to drink for sake.
God buddy boss.
No way. The cat's still actually pow-powing. Yeah, it's thundering out there a bit. The joke was, I see that right now actually on the screen here. What the fuck? Gun butt there. Got assault. Oh no, no, why? I'm such a worse person or something right now. Baby doing the airtime. Oh my hellness god. Yep, I'm on my way. on, fast up, man. These stupid doors are closing. Protected. Protected, and he killed himself. Oh my god. What a funny day. Don't do it again, 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 don't. Alright. What the hell? Mission completed. Completed.
Brilliant, completed.
Need to find out where the choker hanging behind my neck. And I even don't drink that tequila anymore, so I think in the beer there was actually some LSD or something. Hey, this is a joke, okay? I'm not really sure what's going on with me. I think that's the Colorado Reaper or something, the heart pill, I don't know. We have a nice Monday morning, that's all.
Then go to fight.
Is it the last mission? I didn't shit. I think twice, 3 times, 4 times. And that was the pinned missions as well. I want to go home. Reach all 5. Oh, finally something else. Alright. I think I understand the mission. Is the time with us as well? I like that better. She's up. Get by. Those throw you. Ah. Pull the metal to the pedal. Oh, are you joking? Easy. Little brown horses. Thanks for keeping me away from the wall, you my homeboy. Oh, you captured that for me? I wanna have it back, man. Can I have it? No. No, that is supply.
Get away from me. Rising. Rise.
Oh, twice! I thought it's always like you don't get something. It's a twice. Ooh. Last day I talked about that one. I thought actually it is an X, not a 2X. Twice multiplication, blah blah blah. 2 seconds. Oh, I thought you get nothing out of it. It's a twice now I saw it. Ooh, crack, I'm an idiot. I even lost 10 seconds if you touched that one. And I was talking more than 5 minutes over that. What is your problem? Get the bait free for me.
Don't let the Titanic sink, my home. Easy. Tequila. Ese.
Verstörende Sachen gehen hier raus aus dem Mikrofon. In eure Ohren. Khajiits. Now I know the name. The Argonian and Khajiits in that the Elder Scroll universe. of Nierni. Oh, like that. Next reward. We are on... What it says, 100k. So there are twice actually reward. Excuse myself, sorry for that one. Didn't even was drinking something. It's just a little pepperoni in my stomach. Escape! I know some key as well on the, keyboard. It says escape as well. What have they done with that? Oh, crack, man, black out in here. Beep, beep. Next up, you can't win. Anyway, have fun. Oh, 21 blueprints from Freddy? Dang. The hard stopper. What are you, man? Don't take it personal. But your trunk sticks. Ow. Why is my camera different right now? What happened? It's still action camera. Why is it close up? Oh, that game of his glitches got banged. Oh, my mind is already on CarX Drift Racing Online. Yep, you sent the right signal. What? Is that the finish line? Bye-bye. Oh, Marie. Die verriet Frost. News. She was decapitated. Oh, crack. I don't know, but my heart actually makes some stuff, right? Let me check me out. Dum 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 dum. Normal. Dum 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 dum. Huh. But the pump blast somehow actually. Weird. I don't know what it is. Man, I'm talking too fast. Don't breathe in and out. Maybe that's why. 98k. It feels like the music in the background all the time. Somebody's calling me on the cell phone. That's why I'm watching all the time to the cell phone. Even in the race. In the mission, sir. Let me check out something else about. We are playing a long time in here. And check out first up the legend pass for benefits. Nope. What was that again? Of course, in the career mode. 29 minutes. Okay, my feeling was not so bad, but completely wrong at the time. The construction side, I can all the time actually select yours in kind of a vessel of 5 minutes. Actually, I can tell you it is right now 10 o'clock and 31, and then may saying 32 or 72. I mean 22, 27. Here we go. Gosh. We'll be there. Good night. Going a little bit after actually we get these money mission. I want to go to CarX then. I'm so sorry guys, thank you very much for watching a while, but in a half hour I just want to go to CarX, but then after that I want to go to sleep. Oh, I think there is one blueprint missing, right? Yeah it is. Yeah it is. You got 5 of them, right? Let me see. Just before. Oh, no. 5. Oh. But I don't need the 4th Shelby actually for some race, right? Oh yeah, there is one race. Come on, let's keep a little bit of that. want to start up? More the game don't let us know. I told you that. That was all. I thought actually for 7 months I heard like actually nothing. Nope. Not happening here. My imagination actually, because I was coming out from 4 years CarX D.R.O. Research for unrush the game. So actually Codemaster just sent it off actually to the server shut down for 4 years ago or something. So came on the idea to watch more actually on these gently good racing games.
Fuck GT.
And I found actually this game, Asphalt Legends Unite. Oh, ich muss schon wieder pinkeln, ey. Ich kann's nicht glauben. Need to go to pee again. Sorry for that one. The Frostbound Wheel 5? What's up next? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11? Oh, that's too much. That, what? Forward? Backward? 13. What happened now? Yeah. Oh god, this one. German rap, man. I can all the time.
Für 1-2-1 Proteinmagazin. Okay, auf das Sofa oder so.
Aber ja, ich könnte kurz nicht.
Ich steck ein Bier über die.
I wanna hang myself with these stupid stuff, but they just blah 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 blah. Like the dancing actually in some cocoa something actually heated up very high. German rap is like actually clowns. These are only I can say these are clowns something. Talking the crap out, man. I better sit down and have my dump, man, because the music is really a dual personality. Sorry. I have a problem here. It's okay. I still have actually plan B. I say I have always plan B. I'm running out of toilet paper, and what I just was eat yesterday, it already. I think I'm empty right now again, because my I had to say what it is. My anus is burning like crack. It is the Carolina Reaper powder. Blah blah blah. I have only 4 tries to get cleaned up with paper. My ass. I have plan B, don't worry, and it's behind me on the toilet away roller. I have still actually toilet paper in there. But what happened if you just run out of toilet paper when you just want to be done with? It was a couple of years ago actually. I was just going to shower. It's nothing else actually about like the Japanese toilet. You clean up your ass with water, right? Oh my god, it burns like hell. I tried actually to go to pee. I even did pee, it just made my doodle butter. Oh my gosh, it burned like hell. So for all outsiders, it's always good that actually be prepared if you go to the toilet before even it's a meeting like you can't actually, you're close to explode. Get an extra roll with you. Oh my god. What is that? Man's room with Buzz Aldrin and all this stuff? Oh hell. That sausage actually talking then. He's always by 180 or 360.
Oh, pass, man. This is a metro.
Why are you so aggressive all the time?
Shut up, you silly ass, man.
Well, I think there was a locker room in the background, not the man's room. The man's room is for me a toilet. Not a locker room. When the locker room calls man room, man, there's some some homosexual stuff coming up or something, right? A locker room called man's room. This is completely fucked up. GTA 4, right?
A cousin, come in, sit down somewhere to find place. Oh, what are these cockroaches in here?
Don't worry, these are suspicious, but to say, I think my animals or something. Okay, he didn't say that one, but
Cousin, you wanna go to D.R.O? Shut the hell up, man. Let's do bowling. The only thing that's good bowl is actually your hat from your shoulder.
You didn't say that, right? Full of ideas today. Life is a piece of stoelgang.
XXL.
Die met een rotte stoel. Gang.
Was trappt tot vet viesjes op die tijd. Oei, dat is selbst die Pippi oder die Brett wie Sau.
Okay, Herrsch, du musst das Scheißerpapier nachfüllen. When the farmer is like that one, you'll be sure it wasn't legal wise.
Or the hard sausage come out as his butt.
Oh, close to be having a heart stopper today. You know, I don't get nosebleeds, so everything's fine as. I think I took for 6 hours actually already a heart pill. Oh, these are dangerous parts of your life.
Ja.
Tadaimasu. That's the Japaner song. Says the Japanese. Just sit it down actually.
Hey, this guy. What do you mean you look like this? Okay. Oh yeah. Mochi. Uh-oh.
He came already from the toilet. And then that happened. He shit himself. Oh.
Look at this. Suki mate go toilet.
Oh, he says sayonara to say actually he shit himself completely and actually don't want to continue the live stream anymore. Hoo aha. Ganbarimasu. Stands the Japanese in front of the toilet and just say,
Good luck, Ganbarimasu.
Went into the toilet seat.
There's the toilet paper. Hiya.
Alright, bonsai by ourselves. Reach the finish line. Oh, no problem, right? What's the matter? There must be something coming up for us.
Biro. Diarrhea. Nobody. Hayabuda.
Don't hit this. Oh, money race. That's why I reached the finish line. Oh, sorry for that one. That is the worst I did done with. I'm an idiot.
Bloody sake.
Are you following me, you bastardo? I saw it correctly. 7001. Here we go. 7001. Nice. Little ass shaker. Like the rhino spreads out his dung bugger actually out of his butt crack with his tail. Oh. No, the pain comes actually from the beer. What the? Always at 20,000? Can't see it anymore. That's not dates. Anyway, we had the deal done actually that 3 times. And then I'll go to CarX or... I don't know. I got stomach problems here right now. Let's drink more beer. Cheers up. Oh, we can't play this anymore, I think. Hold on. Genki desu. You're my man that the money run. I reached the finish line. It should be fine. Oh crap. Oops. A stone? As well? I don't see that. It is what it is. I could have missed him. Isn't it a bit loud? Microphone on. Well, people just loud their room. The only thing that's loud is actually my voice, where I can be. Oh my hellness, no. I think I need 2 runs right now for Forsake. Because I can't gain a 6.2. Should be actually 6.1 and a 23, right? I think that's okay. We can build on that one, right? Your reputation precedes you. I'm trusting you with this cash. Speed is of the essence. Speed is of the essence? Huh? Yeah, whatever. Let's get on this crack. Question. We got 98,000 SP and the next reward is the 99k, right? So we had to go there. We had to play that one. A new grace is following us. Escape before more damage is done. So there to see. Question. It's over, right? Because we need a star 3 or something with vehicles like that. Whoa, 4,000, man. But what kind of car can I play that? Oh, hell no. The car is back. Okay, the next live stream should be awesome, great. Oh yeah.
Where's the fun, man?
Where's that? Kick ass in this one in here. And say bye bye, Asphalt Legends Unite. We go to CarX after this one. 9 o'clock 10, man. I think I can't sleep anyway. After CarX, I'm going actually drunk then over, actually compound and driving the forklift and stuff like crack from the wood facility. Think the voice is funny or something, huh? Cheers up. Reach the finish line. Not this time. Oh my god, come on.
Ow, that hurt my ears, man. Dang.
That'll be a sound now, guys. Claim it.
The kill.
Trait 4. Damn it, toes are free for the sake. What is this? Is it stopping? More than 10, right? $20. Ah, 20. Oh my gosh, I thought that's only my mistake. I saw the 10,000 in here, so that's why 10 times these. Oh my, I'm an idiot. Bloody I am. Season says 9,969. Got a 10,006. What the fuck? Game? You can count? 37 too much. Hello? Ah, the 37 came, I think, actually from the DjVolgin account as I checked it out. They give me actually the donation, but it's not actually counted in here. Weird. So far, so good. I ask myself, shall we be done the 99k? You get only 2,000. That's much enough. You get actually a 10 To 100,000, right? Can it be? Yeah. Okay, this run, and then I need to go. Definitely. But let's say it's beat the race time at 140, and I'm not sure about that one. First up, need to lower some levels. The hazard level.
Boss, Ręąl. I'm not coming back today.
To be sure. 4 minutes, okay. That's good. For a second try, because I know I can't finish this one. But in kind of a couple of minutes, actually, we get already actually these on 4 to 10. 7 for 10 we have after this race, right? After that race. Gun badama. Who's going for bus? Yeah, I do so. Gotta have money, credits, get away. Oops. Oh, I'm paying right now with the syndicate points. Ah, that's fucked up. Huh. I saw so many cars, actually hypercars, they already have 1 star only. Is that a bigger star than the 5 or 6 stars? Kind of a, you know, you have 5 stars already, but you get to an Admiral, General. But why the star looks like actually the ordinary 5 stars or 6 stars you can gain on. And the other hyper, super blaster cars there. Running out of the years. Thanks for the commentary, by the way. It actually was one guy. Now, not watching actually who it was. Definitely not from India. Easier. The mix of coffee, Carolina Reaper and beer, a little bit tequila. I'm awake, heart is actually sleeping. My cigarette burns by itself. I'm standing from the toilet. I'll be mouthful, actually tired, at the same time half drunk. I'm fucked. My complete body system is just get fucked. And I'm freezing cold. I forgot the coldness. If you're drunk and cold, you're poisoned and get cold, having freezings. Coffee and the beer don't make it better. Normally another person says, I need to go to the hospital. I say, I'm okay, I'm fine. Listen to your heart. And that's why we play one race, when we win that, twice, when we lose. Or we go directly to CarX, because I can listen to the heartbeat of the engine and my engine as well. If you know, I understand what I'm trying to say. And that is when Frost actually talking to each other and I don't understand no word. Holy shit. Sorry. I'm not a racist or something, but this is like what it is. Translation mode in my brain is like How the Frost saying all the times. They must come from North Frost. And not that they down to the south with the North Frost guys. These are actually a closed area or something in Frost. Oh my gosh. C'est la vie. What's the shop saying? Oh, we need blueprints, right? I totally forgot. We can't have some. Right? We don't know we get, but we can have some. So we pumped up the Chimera. I say Chimera, maybe it's Chimera calling out for the Connect Act. But we maybe get some blueprints for the Hellcat to get actually some blueprints to start up on rank 3 on start, right? I totally forgot. Dumb bottom mouse. Nope. Nope. Nope.
No! 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 No!
1. Here we go. 1. Lost 5 a chance. Or twice we can do it on that one. Already we're saying 25. Here we go. That's the 25. So it gives us 25. Because I saw actually 25 from 30 already. As a pinned on. Here we go. I'm a fortune teller. Let's do it again. Let's watch about the 25 to 30, right? And the blueprint. We got 1 blueprint here right now.
Ah! So furious. Here it comes.
Right, last chance. 4 blueprints to get right now. With 6 times the 500. 6 times. 5 blueprints. Forget about it.
You have to do manually go actually to the left side.
Wait for it. Alright, we don't get it. Here we go. Sweet. Nice. Cheers. Oh. And the last one, but not least. At least. Alright. It was fun. I would be shocked actually that we can sell actually something in here as well with a blueprint. Why these wild cards are not actually having a grip in here? That's fucked up. A question. What the symbol means? Oh. Oh. No, seriously, why are these wild cards are not working? Got that music in the background. Was these exclamation sign because they're new? Let's see. Ah, the save. Unlock this car first before yeah, gotcha. Now they're gone. A free pack is available right now. Oh my god, how many hours are we playing? 3.5 hours now. Oh, look at that. We got 3. Okay, cool. No, don't know wild cards actually for that Hellcat. Poorly. Garage. First up before actually we going offline and checking out actually these repack there. Of course it's just you, not the garage. Click in house. Click in house. Oh. 36 minutes. Are you kidding me? Come on. Can do that, but you can do done better than that. There we go. My Danglish. Englandish. Deutsch? No, is that English? When you say you're American, you're speaking German, how you say that now? In German? No. It sounds like injury. But as a German, to speak English, I'm a Danglish. Danglish. In Germany means... No, this is not working. This is not working. Okay, what I'm trying to say.
Let's keep on moving.
Here we go. 7 from 10 I saw. So twice we had the chance to beat the 140. What can go wrong? Yeah, I know myself better than actually. That's how I give up. Oh, come on, it cost me already 2 seconds. Bye-bye. Why is it so fast, for sake? No risk, no fun. Swipe. You see the perfection that he has to beat actually the contender in here to beat the 140? Can be, right? Come on, sweetheart. Pump up a bit. Oh my god, I can't do it. Yeah, I'm a failure, man. I think these 5 seconds came from the ventilation system tunnel there. That's a mistake. I know I have to be done that because when a new live stream comes up, I can be done that one. It makes me aggressive in a second and I'm stopped live streaming. We have 1 chance left. This is ugly. This is seriously ugly. Yeah. A huge driver race and for the rest. Escape before the damage is escape before more damage is done. Oh, here we go. Show no mercy. I think I'm too childish to play this one, so let's get it on 1 card. Next time we beat that one. I try again, but I'm tired or something. I think my heart just says actually we low budget. You better go to sleep before you get a heart attack. Yeah. No. Sweetheart, wake up. Gunbuttonas. Why there's actually 2 roads in there. Outside, inside. You start here. Ah, okay. You had to go outside and this is actually the finish line. And why is it then connected with the road there? None of this guy. I don't understand. What's going on? For now on, it's not working anymore. Well, it says actually, I think you have to buy the car and then you have actually these overclocking stuff. Can it be? Yeah. I have to say actually I have to answer myself in here because nobody makes comments. So thanks about actually about the reverse reality. I'll put the comments in here. Top 1 fan for today on this live stream. And the next live stream is coming up on CarX part 243, I think it is. Oh, CarX part 640, I can't remember. 3? 4? I have to watch my calendar then. Or YouTube. Man, I'm cold. Seriously, I'm freezing shit. Ganbarimasu. Let's go with these driver there. He showed you the route. Oh, that's a McLaren, right? That's a McLaren, not actually the Chimera Connect side. Holy shit, it's off. I thought, what's up there? Saw the shadow. It's like a trash pile just thrown away actually over my car. But how can it be actually over 300 km per hour as a trash pile can fly like that? And then he's popping up the ramp. Hey McLaren, sorry for that moment. It just came from nowhere. It's like God threw the trash over the earth or something. These moments. I'll get it worse or something, right? Nice hovercraft they have in there. Completely realistic. Sucking air up in the air and just the other one sucks actually vertical from going horizontal or something. Keep on moving. Sorry for that one. Intermission. Here's the trash. Whoa, I lost another 5 seconds. Oh man, sorry for that one. Same pop. 20 seconds left, sir. 10 seconds left. I think I can't do it again. Come on, beauty. No! Oh my gosh! The contender did it somehow. Somehow he did it. He was crashed. How can he be so fast? Look at that. He couldn't even deal done as well. Oh my god! It's that trash pile. And one. Oh man, okay, I think it's done. You can't go forward anymore. That was so close, I was very good in this, and I can't do better. So, it was fun, seriously. Seriously, it was fun. Alright, that's it. That's a good ending actually of the live stream here in the last file Lashing Unite, aka ALU, on the episode 243. Yeah. I show mercy, I can't win. The German has actually a say in Bavarian. Wir sehen uns gleich später, gell? In 5 Minuten bin ich wieder da, wenn es dann heißt CarX. Part 600, I shoot myself. Thank you very much for watching a little while in here. Oh, that music's awesome. Pop it up, man. And the next time, I say then to myself, who just make the music so loud? We tried. We failed. Hope yourself, God, but God bless you people that watched. Rejected is online. Yeah, I'm rejecting from this game for today as well. Ich hab gefahren, Schwab ist Lisa Witzgold, die nicht spielen. Gesundheit! Micro cache. I got facts, I'm not letting me donate. $24 minutes, Forsake. Oh, now we are 405,889 Forsake. Could I make a picture about 419,999? I can't remember about this one.
she's stacking it up. We want the freedom to live and the freedom to have. The things will be lacking, my bruh, so what are we lacking? I could point it out.
Now we got 10K. Yeah.
They send the hounds, bite me in the, put me in the ground, turn me into ash, got to carry down. From those who came up before me, I made a change of the story. Find me at work in the morning. Find me where people are mourning, man, cause death is around every corner. When life isn't free for a person, dog, you act like an animal.
Is this at the end? No. I'm not a critic. What Martin say? I don't know. I'm going to toilet, be right back. Then I'm going out of this game and going into career at the CarX. Oh, that's a nice song as well. No materializing a sentence crack. But I don't need that stuff. I have less money, so I better go under the bridge before actually let me pay out from you guys. So enjoy. The hell kind of music is you know that feeling like they say your heart says It hurts. Pump. Okay, let's say so. I feel terrible and tired. But my mind says I'm happy, I'm fine ass because the Carolina Reaper. My heart has to be done a decision. And it goes actually with the happy mind. So we meet each other actually at CarX, drift racing online, just jamming around, having fun like in here as well. It's not gonna be so funny, but you know.
What are you doing on my butt crack? What were you doing? No. Yow.
Oh, look at that. Alright guys, I'll be right back down on CarX. Who the hell should make that music so loud in here around fucking crackness? Mein Scheiß Haus. 28. Because it was a great moment in here.
Just up to that.
Oh my snot as hell. Dodge. American muscle car. Yeah, Japan. Which you don't claim it's not this crack.
Mein Scheiß Haus.
Mein Scheiß Haus. Excuse me about that noise. Oh my gosh. $17 days. 199. Holy shoot. Man, even the music in Spotify and my earplugs are louder than the music in here, but I can feel it. When somebody's starting up to sing and I have an announce, actually see, oh. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching a little while. I'll be out, going to CarX, let you know about that. Same channel, 5 minutes. Thank you very much. Until next time, on Clinics DjVolgin and these rabbit run there, little daily events, multiplayer, and yeah, with my career forwardly.
Mata.
Ja, jag måste prata spanska.